Welcome to Green Whale. Nature's beauty is a gift that envelops us in boundless wonders. From the majestic mountains that scrape the sky to tranquil forests teeming with life. Every corner of our planet offers a glimpse of its awe-inspiring magnificence. However, with each passing day, we witness the ever-increasing impact of human activities on our planet. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change are some of the grave challenges threatening our delicate ecosystem. But among these challenges lie an opportunity for us to awaken. By challenging and preserving the nature around us, we can make a positive difference. Every step we take to protect and preserve the nature has its ripple effects, reaching far beyond what we can comprehend. By planting trees, we can provide habitat to countless species. By reducing the carbon footprint, we can slow down the effects of the climate change. By cleaning our surroundings, we ensure cleaner air, water, and a healthier future for all of us. When we immerse ourselves in nature, we awaken our senses, quiet our minds, and reconnect with something greater than ourselves. The tranquility of the forest, the grandeur of the mountain peaks, or the playfulness of the wildlife remind us of the profound interconnectedness of all living beings on this planet. Nature has its way of reminding us that life is a precious gift and it's our responsibility to protect and preserve it. Each sunrise, symbolizing a fresh start, is an opportunity to make a positive impact. And each sunset connects us to the cherished memories of the loved ones who came before us, inspiring us to leave behind a legacy of care and preservation. Let's remember that every choice that we make, no matter how small, can make a significant difference in preservation of our planet. So I urge you to take that small step and make a huge difference.